Hello students, welcome to VrushuRaj Classes YouTube channel. Are you tense of your board exams? Don't worry, I am there to help you. Even if you have failed in preparatory exam, I am sure that the tips which I give in this video will definitely help you to score good marks in your coming board exam. First of all, now don't think at all of what you don't know. Don't waste time in thinking over of what you have not studied, what subjects are difficult for you, what concepts are difficult for you. Just keep them aside. Focus on what you can write in exam, which are easy questions. Focus on objectives, small questions. Focus on that and prepare yourself in those questions. Check that you don't lose even a half mark in such simple questions. So just find out what you know. Okay, find out what you know and start working on that. And the second tip I would like to give you here is don't waste time in reading too many books right now. Don't waste time on the vast matter right now. Only take the question papers. Only take the question papers in your hand and start solving question papers. And as I said, the questions which you find very difficult, very complicated, just leave them aside. Just try to solve maximum question papers of each subject right now. Even on the previous day of your exam, just focus on the important points, and I am sure that if you work sincerely, even for these limited days, you will score best marks in your SSLC exam. So keep your mind cool, stay cool, keep yourself relaxed and study seriously. Study seriously, stay focused on your studies. Don't waste even a single minute in some unwanted things like watching mobile or television. For relaxation, you can just have a walk in nature. You can just have a walk for 5-10 minutes outside. That will keep your mind relaxed. So do that thing. Keep yourself away from social media at least till you complete your board exam. So if you follow these tips, you will definitely score best marks in your SSLC exam. Apart from this, if you have any query, if you need any guidance, please feel free to drop your query in our comment box. We will definitely try to help you from our side. So my dear students, share this video to all your friends who have scored very less marks in preparatory exam and are tensed of their board exam. Please do share this video with them and follow our YouTube channel for such interesting and useful tips. So thank you so much for watching this video and all the best for your coming board exam.